Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Answer the Public for question-based keyword research, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Answer the Public website. You will see the home page displayed. At the center of the page, look for the login option. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your credentials for accuracy. Click on the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard. Here, you can start exploring question-based keywords. To conduct research, locate the search bar. Type in your desired topic or keyword. Click the search icon to initiate the keyword search. The results will display various question-based keywords related to your input. Use these results to inform your content strategy. Explore the options available for further insights. This completes your login process and your first search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.